Make a great choice today with the 2010 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear wiper, heads-up display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.